And I am Mr. Kagan. I'm the one who will do all the talking. Okay, so our resident is Mr. John. So we're gonna help him do his Christmas tree. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to introduce you to our microphone.
What's the problem?
So the problem is he keeps forgetting to turn off his light. So Christmas light. So right here we got our Christmas tree. Lego builded, no cheating, and it's very organic.
Smart.
So right here our light sensor.
They can see.
So we invented something that when this is the light, the Christmas light, and this is our invention, I guess.
The sensor.
So this is the light sensor. So when it's daytime, it will sense light. So this is our Christmas light. So when it senses light, it's failing. It's failing. 2020. Okay, so it will close. And then when it's nighttime, it will open. So close.
Okay, we get it.
Close. And when it's nighttime, it will open.
But the heat. How about the heat?
Okay, so we also added an additional bonus. So right here is our heat sensor. And if you can see here, it said it's very cold. You should get home and get some hot cocoa, scouty face. And it also tells us the temperature. What a useful invention.
You might just have to in your house.
And to another addition bonus, we got
the pixel light.
The pixel light. Black in color, no white.
And no eye.
Yes, and this is also another view from me. I will be solo of this guy. No credit from you guys.
He's the inventor. The
inventor of Pixar light bulb thing. I did it the earliest time. So right here, if you can see downstairs, there's a solar panel. When it encounters light, it will turn on. So this is how Pixar was invented. Thank you.